In today's energy markets, WTI in focus, WTI trading around the $54 a barrel level. We're seeing, WTI up on the day, maintaining the upper end of the range here. A couple of factors I think today that the market's focused on are number one, Venezuela. We're looking at just the supply issue continues to play out in the market. Venezuelan oil coming out of the market, as well as OPEC now it appears to be complying with their production cuts. Now, Russia is the laggard here, at least that's what is being reported, that Russia is dragging their heels a little bit and complying with the production cuts. But ultimately, we're still seeing, again, supply restrictions as we see some of the dynamics in the marketplace playing out, as well as the EIA number, another number that came out today. The market was very focused on a little bit more of a build than what was expected, but not too dramatic. We have seen 3 weeks of builds, but nothing too pronounced, and the market continues to discount that because I think some of the other factors involved here. Number one, we have the Cushing inventories is something that also the market's focused on. Now that's at 5-year highs, but I think that the dynamics in what's taking place in the oil market actually can be a little bit pointed towards the refining issues. And without that heavy oil that refiners need to process the oil, to bring it to market, to get it out into the market, that disruption is causing an impact, and I think that's impacting the price of oil. So when you see the fact of the matter is that refiners are looking to replace that Venezuelan oil as well as some of the OPEC oil. Canada has plenty of it, but it's very difficult for them to transport it from Canada down to Cushing at this point. So again, that dynamic I think is a driving force here, why we see possibly when you look at oil hitting the open market across the globe, again, WTI maintaining its bid because of the dynamics that the market's experiencing. So I think when you're moving forward, focus on the refining issue, focus on how some of the flows of some of these heavier weighted oils are being processed in the market, and I think that will give you a cue on how WTI is going to react as we move forward.